Do you know a guy who talked to a kangaroo?
Hi there.
Who's always ready to learn about something new.
Wow.
Whose favorite book has all the animals you could wish. Who's proud to say his best friend is a fish.
That's right, it's my man Stanley.
Oh yeah, it's my man Stanley.
Welcome to Stanley's world. Come help him figure out what life is all about. Who takes you swimming with dolphins?
Oh yeah.
Laughs with a lion too.
Cool.
No problem Stan can't solve. It's solving it involves having a friend like you. Having a friend like you.
It's Stanley.
It's Stanley. With a friend like you.
It's Stanley.
It's Stanley.
It's Stanley.
Woodpecker woes.
Ah, a quiet day. Just what I need to start my new comic book.
Toot toot. Cool. Shh. You gotta keep it down, Lester. Okay. How come?
Stanley's dad is drawing today.
Yeah, and he likes things to be really quiet.
Ah, please be quiet.
Wow, you weren't kidding.
Why me? Why now?
Dad, why are you talking to the window?
What? Oh, I'm not talking to the window, Stanley. I'm talking to a woodpecker. As if that's any better.
A woodpecker? Where?
Meet my new neighbor.
Wow, we have a woodpecker. Cool.
Yeah, cool.
What's wrong, Dad?
I can't work with all that pecking, Stanley. It's driving me bananas.
Oh, it is pretty loud.
You're telling me. My comic is due tomorrow. But how can I draw with all that noise?
You can draw at my house, Mr. Griff. We don't have any woodpeckers.
Thanks, Lester. But all my stuff is here. I really can't draw anywhere else. Ah, don't worry about me, kids. I'll just have to ignore the pecking and get to work somehow.
There's gotta be a way for us to help, Dad. What? I can't hear you with all this pecking. Exactly. We've got to get that woodpecker to stop pecking. But how? Maybe you should just ask him.
You do have a way with animals, Stanley. It's certainly worth a try.
Okay. Hi, Mr. Woodpecker. I'm Stanley. I know that you're a woodpecker and pecking wood is what you do. But do you have to peck today? My dad is drawing. Great. Thanks. It worked. Way to go, Stanley! Hey, no fair. Maybe you should keep it simple. You know, use smaller words. Okay. Shh, shh. Is huss a word?
It's one of my favorites. We should help Stanley, Lester. And you can too. Come on, shush with us.
Hey! What's happening, dudes?
We're shooting a woodpecker.
Why?
I don't know, because it's not working. He sure loves pecking that tree. Hey, what if we give him something he likes even more? Maybe he'll stop pecking the tree. Here we go.
Woodpeckers like brooms?
I don't know, but they probably like other woodpeckers. Maybe he'll want to play with a friend.
Don't get too close, Stanley. We don't want to hurt the woodpecker.
Right. We just want him to stay quiet. I think it's working. Yeah. I don't hear any pecking. Are we gonna do this all day? No, just until Dad is done. Ah! Look out!
No!
I guess he doesn't want a new friend.
It's more likely he didn't mistake our drawing for a woodpecker.
I did.
Wow, that's loud. I wonder how Dad is doing.
Peck, 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 peck. These earmuffs are barely helping.
The noisy pecking is keeping Dad from drawing, right?
Right.
So if we make noise, maybe it'll keep the woodpecker from pecking. Yeah, let's see how he likes it. Okay.
I'm not so sure about this. Please don't try anything this noisy at home.
Stanley! Stanley!
Yeah, Dad?
What are you doing?
Making a lot of noise.
Please don't. It's hard enough to work with the woodpecker pecking.
This wasn't such a great idea.
No, I don't think more noise is the answer.
Peck, peck, peck. Why won't he stop doing that? Yeah, it's not very nice. Your dad has to work.
I don't think the woodpecker is trying to keep Mr. Griff from working, Lester.
So why is he pecking?
I know where we can find out.
It's the great big book of everything with everything inside. See the world around us. This book's the perfect guide. Poor old dad is such a wreck because woodpeckers like to peck, peck, peck.
The book will tell us why he's pecking. And hopefully how to make him stop. Whoa, woodpecker. Woodpecker starts with the letter W. Whoa, lots of woodpeckers.
According to the book, there are nearly 200 different kinds of woodpeckers around the world.
Hey, this one looks like our woodpecker.
Right, they're both red-headed woodpeckers, known for their bright red head feathers.
We better not bring him out. Yeah, one red-headed woodpecker is loud, but two would be too much. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Into the book to have some fun. Whee! How can he stick to the trunk like that? Does he have glue on his feet or something?
No, but he does have strong feet and sharp claws.
Oh, I see. His claws dig into the bark, and then his strong feet keep him there. Cool. Oh, I'm getting dizzy just looking at him. How does he stay so steady?
With his amazing tail feathers. Woodpeckers keep their balance by bracing their stiff tail feathers against tree trunks. This comes in really handy when they start to peck.
Look at him go. I bet a woodpecker could carve a great statue. He's moving like a chisel.
Right, but woodpeckers don't peck at trees to make art, Stanley. They sometimes peck to find things hidden under the bark.
Hidden? You mean like buried treasure?
Not exactly, Lester. I meant food. Our woodpecker friend is drilling a hole with his beak to find insects that live under the bark. And by using his sticky tongue, the woodpecker scoops them out to eat. Can you think of other animals that use their tongues to get food?
Frogs? Anteaters?
Good thinking. Frogs and anteaters also use their tongues to catch bugs to eat.
So woodpeckers peck trees because they're hungry. Hungry for bugs? Yuck!
Well, they don't only eat bugs. Many woodpeckers also eat acorns, nuts, and fruit. In fact, red-headed woodpeckers would rather find food off the ground than work hard pecking at trees. That is, if they can find any. Luckily, our friend here did.
That's it. Come on, guys. I've got an idea. He's been pecking for a long time. But I don't think he's found any bugs to eat. And I don't see any nuts or fruit around for him to eat instead.
Yeah, he must be pretty hungry.
Uh-huh. So why don't we help him out?
Woodpecker experts Stanley Griff and Lester Goldberg are attempting to feed our resident woodpecker. If they're right, the woodpecker should stop pecking and sample some grapes. Our experts back up, giving the woodpecker some room. The woodpecker has stopped pecking. He's spotted the fruit. He's swooping, he's got the grape. Now he's off to enjoy a tasty treat, leaving the Griff household in peace and quiet.
We did it! Yahoo!
Well, almost quiet.
It worked. Now Dad can draw his comic.
Peck. Wait a second. No more pecking. He stopped. He stopped. He's gone. He's gone. All right. Here goes everything. Thanks for helping me with my woodpecker problem, Stanley. I sure needed it.
No problem, Dad. Woodpeckers are cool.
And loud.
Yeah, but did you know they cling to tree trunks with their feet and claws? And they use their tail feathers to keep their balance.
Wow, I didn't know that.
And he wasn't pecking to bug you, Dad. He was pecking to find bugs in the tree to eat.
I never thought to ask why he was doing it, but you did. And that helped me and the woodpecker. Oh, I almost forgot. Take a look. I couldn't have drawn it without you. Mwah. Good night, kiddo.
I guess Dad didn't mind the pecking too much, Dennis.
Oh? Why'd you say that?
He made his comic all about woodpeckers.
Up next, visit that magical world where everything's round and robotic. It's Roly-Poly-Oly, right here inside Playhouse Disney.